Imagine waking up every single day with a 10% chance to die. This is the mortality rate for patients with obscure gastrointestinal bleeding. GI bleeding is a serious condition, which in extreme cases can lead to a rapid loss of blood and even death. Capsule endoscopy is promising for putting patients on the fast track to treatment. However, it currently requires a significant time investment, which some patients do not have.
In a current capsule endoscopy, the procedure starts when a patient swallows a pill-shaped camera called a capsule endoscope. As it travels through the patient, the captured images are sent to a recorder where they are saved to an SD card. Our device, the CerrTV, copies these images and sends them to an online database without modifying the original images. These images can then be viewed remotely by a physician in real time.
In order to prototype the CerrTV device, we've designed an emulated capsule endoscopy recorder designed to mimic typical capsule endoscopy technology, and that's pictured here on the right. Just removing the cap, we've got a battery, a microcontroller, and an SD card slot, which is similar to our CerrTV device here on the left, which has a battery, a microcontroller, and an SD card extender. In order to use this device, you would remove the SD card from the recorder, place it inside the CerrTV, and connect the SD card extender in its place. Now, this will be very easy to do by a clinician in the clinic or patient at home and would be worn directly on the patient's side during the procedure.
In our first year, we plan to sell at least 250 devices along with software packages to 50 health systems, which will give us a first-year revenue of $185,000 and a recurring revenue of $60,000 per year.
Our device will target large medical technology companies and hospitals. There are several capsule endoscopy solutions currently on the market. However, none of these devices provide a remote live streaming capability like the CerrTV unit does. CerrTV has the ability to interface directly with these technologies to speed up the care process. Based on our 4-person team and a year's operating plan, we will need $135,000 to cover the cost of development, manufacturing, and marketing of the device. In return for your investment, you will receive a 5% stake in the company, and you can expect a complete return on investment in just 3 years.
Anytime that I have an opportunity to reduce the risk for a patient, I'll gladly pursue it. I believe firmly in the ability of the capsule endoscopy to do this. The CerrTV device will improve the capsule endoscopy process significantly, allowing me to use it more often and providing my patients with a quicker, safer, and more informed care. And this technology certainly has the opportunity to save lives.